Hello, my name is Adam. I am a student of English literature. This is the story of my life in London and how I learned English in a new and exciting way. I want to share my journey so you can read and learn English with me. It was a warm summer morning when I traveled by train to London. The train was full, and people were talking all around me. Two men were sitting opposite me, speaking English very fast. I could not understand most of what they said. I knew only a few words. I was a beginner, and English still felt very difficult. I tried to speak a few simple words, and they understood me. That small moment made me very happy. I felt a spark of hope. I realized that even small attempts to communicate can make a big difference. The men told me that they were from England and were returning home after a conference. Our conversation lasted for a few minutes, and soon the train reached my station. Before I left, they gave me their phone number and address. They said that if I ever came to England, I could visit them. I said goodbye and left the train, feeling excited and motivated. From that day, I decided to work on my English every day. I translated short texts. Every day, I practiced a little more. Slowly, my English improved. After 6 months, I could understand and speak much better, but I wanted to achieve even more. I wanted to speak confidently, to communicate freely, and to understand English without translating in my head. So, I made a big decision. I traveled to London to study English properly. When I arrived in London, I joined an English school. The first day was full of excitement and nervousness. The classroom had students from many countries. Everyone was learning English, just like me. The lessons were not only about grammar or vocabulary. I learned that English is a tool for communication. Using the language in daily life is the most important part of learning. I understood that many students memorize words and rules but do not use them. That is why they do not improve. In my school, we were encouraged to speak English as much as possible. We talked about hobbies, interests, and daily routines. Every conversation helped me grow more confident. Using English daily was challenging at first, but it made learning real and exciting. One of the most important lessons I learned was about vocabulary. Reading became my key to learning new words. I read for at least 30 minutes every day. I chose texts that were interesting to me. When I found a word I did not know, I looked it up in a dictionary. I did not write it down, my brain remembered it naturally. Reading helped me understand how words connect to each other in sentences. It also improved my understanding of English grammar without memorizing rules. After school, I wanted to work part-time to practice English more and to earn some money. I went to a job center and found a job as a waiter in a cafe. The training was simple, and I had many opportunities to speak English with customers. This was another step in my learning journey. I realized that every real-life experience could improve my English, even small conversations in a cafe. Pronunciation was another challenge I faced. At first, my pronunciation was not very clear. Speaking in English felt strange because my mouth muscles were used to my native language. I learned a special technique called shadowing. I listened to audio recordings and repeated every word, copying the tone, rhythm, and speed of the speaker. It was not easy, but over time, my pronunciation improved. Shadowing also helped me prepare for presentations and speaking in public. Alongside learning and practicing English, I joined sports activities at school. Playing football with students from different countries was not only fun but also a great way to use English naturally. I met friends from Brazil, Japan, Russia, Spain, and Italy. We spoke English while playing, laughing, and enjoying the game. Sports helped me use English in real life without feeling pressured. Another technique that helped me greatly was thinking aloud. Thinking aloud means thinking in English instead of your native language and saying your thoughts quietly or softly. At first, it was difficult. My thoughts in my native language were long and complicated, and I needed to find simpler ways to express them in English. I started with short sentences, like, "I want to improve" or "I can learn this." Slowly, thinking in English became natural. This technique improved my speaking ability and helped me form sentences quickly without translating in my head. Over time, I combined reading, listening, shadowing, and thinking aloud. Every day, I dedicated 40 minutes to each activity. This constant practice strengthened my understanding, vocabulary, pronunciation, and confidence. I realized that learning English is not just about studying, it is about using it in life every day. Living and studying in London taught me many lessons beyond language. I learned patience, consistency, and the joy of small achievements. Every word I learned, every conversation I had, and every small success made me more confident. English became not only a language but a bridge to connect with people, understand new ideas, and explore new opportunities. Now, after months of hard work and practice, I can communicate confidently in English. I can read, write, and speak comfortably. But my journey is not finished. Learning a language is a continuous process. Every day is a new opportunity to improve, to speak better, and to understand more. My advice for anyone learning English is simple: read, listen, shadow, and think aloud. Practice every day. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Every small effort counts. Every conversation is a step forward. Enjoy the process, and do not rush. Learning English is a journey that can open doors to new friendships, opportunities, and a world of possibilities. Remember, the most important thing is to use English every day. Speak, listen, read, and think in English. Over time, your confidence will grow, your vocabulary will expand, and your pronunciation will improve. Learning English can be exciting, emotional, and life-changing. Start today, and take one step forward every day. Your journey can be as beautiful as mine.